What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get the dark mode in VidIQ. Also, if you don't have an account with VidIQ already, or you just want to make a fresh account, you can use my sign up link from the description below and that way support the channel in the same time. So let's get started. Once you open your VidIQ account, you will automatically be on your dashboard. On the left side, you can find all the VidIQ tools that they offer, and on the right side, in the upper right corner, you can find these two icons. So from there, just click onto your channel icon right here. Go to the dark mode option right here above the logout option, and just check this little box right here. Once you did that, you have successfully changed the VidIQ theme to a dark theme. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.